My mic was muted. Okay. It should be better now. Pound yen. Yen is bullish as shit, isn't it? Oops. Hopefully it's better now. Anyway, what I was saying is, what's up, Finn? What's up, Ryuk? What's up, Rohit? What's up, Alez, bro? My plan for today, and my plan for every day following today, is to strictly, to the T, follow my trading model. Um, Bullish and Q. I'm just gonna be shorting in premium, longing in discount. Scalps 1 to 2, fix RR. That's the plan. Unless I'm long, then I'll aim for higher. If I'm short, I'm only 1 to 2. Like no clear bias. A bullish. I'm gonna be bullish forever, bro. I don't. Bro, how am I gonna be bearish every time we tap into a bullish prevailing gap? I'm gonna be bullish. Bullish forever, I guess. We could look for like range. We have Powell speaking. We'd have to take out this buy side first, yeah. Unless there's SMT there. That's just beautiful equal highs. Wow. We sub sell side. We're probably going to buy side. Probably before 10. I might look to take a trade before 10 if it meets my criteria. Anyway, the goal is to follow the model to the T. And that includes my risk management strategy. The second objective is to read price the best I can. That's all I can do, the best I can. So, with those two objectives, let's see if we can end on a win. Not a winning trade, but with the objectives met. Right? We're locked in. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so the daily, let's not forget about, let's not even look at daily chart really. Okay, we tapped into a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Respected the shit out of it. And now we have buy side. Pretty much these equal highs. Now see, this is low resistance liquidity because we didn't sweep this. Had we swept, now this is high resistance liquidity because we already swept. So going up is low resistance. However, it looks like we're already making it there. There's going to be a really nice 15-minute OB that I'm going to take right here. As soon as we get the close above. And I'm thinking maybe we should take it at 9 minutes. We also have to mark the daily range. Okay. So I would long this. I would long this, and I would long the breaker as well. They kind of in line with each other, order block and breaker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stay on the 15-minute time frame, and we're gonna wait for this order block to form. Flash, wait for this breaker to form, and then that will be our higher time frame PD array. There is also an inversion over here. Hey brother, what's up, goosebumps? Now the order block is a little bit far. It looks the exact same on ES. What we want to see. What we want to see. 7 minutes till the candle and OB forms. So basically we're probably gonna take something like this. Even that is just 17 points. But we could just take this. Like even just straight up taking this when it forms on the 50-minute time frame is not bad. Stop loss could be the inversion low, which is like right here. Obviously, we have to wait for it to form. We're not gonna force this. No FOMO. That's the game plan. What's up, Chris Anderson? Wait, what about the 5 minute finish if we could take it in version? You could. I'm gonna wait till 9:30 because I'm hoping 9:30 can, like, what happens is we form the order block. Show me your fib. I got you, bro. This is my fib, but you know what? I'm gonna change it right now. You didn't trust pound yen? Oh shit, I missed it. No, yo, I entered long pound yen, but I got stopped out. I had a shitty stop loss though. Let me ask you something. Goosebumps. Do you want the fib with standard deviations or no standard deviations? This is my fib, and if you want standard deviations, oh, standard deviations. Which one is the best for a day trade? Okay, forget the standard deviations. This is how you use a fib. What's up, Elliot? Alright, it's simple. Wait for the 15-minute order block. Everyone have a good morning. I feel more clear-minded. Let me open up another Forex chart in the meantime. You said JPB, JPB, JPY. Yeah, like I feel like I must have gotten stopped and then it played out right after. Yeah. I entered here. This hourly fair value gap I entered yesterday. Let's go a little deeper, I guess. Was there? Yeah. Did you get the fib? It's pretty simple. You just need, it's just retracement levels. If you want, you can make this yellow so you know that those are like the golden. That's like the golden zone. And if you really want, you can put price levels. It'll show the price levels. That's your thing. You can also switch it so they're on the right side. Morning is good, you know. I feel more clear about what I want. And I think I need to know, like, I should go into the market not wanting to win a trade, but to one, stick to the model, to the T, stick to my risk management strategy, stick to the plan, and uh and just build good habits, you know, which is basically just doing those things. So like I need to convince myself and like trust that that's what a win is. It's not a win is not winning a trade and being like, "Oh, nice." Maybe in the long run, but right now, I need to be like, "Yeah, I followed the rules. Like I followed it to the T. That's perfect." The second thing I want to do is read price. That's the skill set that I need to build at a high mastery. Anyways, we're waiting for something very simple here. We're waiting for the order block to form on the 50-minute time frame. We also have this breaker. Now, because we're anticipating this breaker to form, I'm going to take trades in this range once I have confirmation. What's the narrative? The narrative is we swept, and this is my model. I put it right here, so if I ever not follow it, someone could slap me or some shit. The narrative is we swept sell side into a 4 hour fair value gap. We're targeting buy side. Simple narrative, and we're bullish as hell. Thursday would be the most high probability, yeah, after the first couple days. The drawn liquidity is these equal highs on ES and NQ. The higher time frame PD rates, we're going to use this 15-minute order block or this 15-minute inversion. Time. The time aspect of this trade. We're gonna wait for 9:30 Judas lower and maybe look for the delivery on the macro. If that would be like perfect scenario. If price just expands at 9:30, we're not taking a trade. No, no trade. And then confirmation is after that Judas swing. Can we get, let's see, even if we fail to make the order block, maybe we can make it on the next candle. That's it. And if that doesn't form, no trade. Simple. Very simple. We're gonna stick to it. Check, 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 check. Looks like we'll fail to make the OB here. We're gonna stay on that 50-minute time frame. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna probably wait for these longs are high probability down here. Oh, we have some for daily fair value gap right here. Is there a it's so hard to trade though. Like, where do you get that? Where do you get in? Any? There's a daily fair value gap right here, so we'll mark that. I'm gonna wait for like high probability trade on euro. Okay, market opened in 15 seconds. There's also YM. I mean, the OTE is it's all of them. So 0.62, 0.7, 0.79, those are all considered OTE. 0.7 just like that in golden pocket. It's like right in the middle. Perfect. But if you're gonna trade this, I would recommend 0.62. Taking your trades off 0.62. But because we failed to make this order block, I think we go lower on 9:30, but maybe we sweep this and go lower. That's just my opinion though. I wouldn't trade it, but I am trying to read price here. So let's see what happens. That's what I'd imagine. Failed to make the order block. Failed to take the high. So I'd expect 9:30 lower. And maybe 9:50 expansion. I'm happy you can trade like 9:45 as well. 9:45 after the low is made on the 50-minute candle. But if we do get this, we just have to wait till retracement. If it takes a buy side, would I look for 9:50 reversal down? Probably just playing the range. Like even if we weren't all-time highs, probably doing something similar. So those are the two options. Sweep buy side retracement. I'm not gonna if we sweep. Listen, this is another thing though. If I'm taking a trade off an external liquidity sweep, I need SMT. Otherwise, I don't want it. Because for example, you can expect like a fair value gap to hold, but you can't really identify how high above a high it needs to go. If it forms a breaker and there's no SMT, okay, I'll take it. But if it's just like it takes it and displaces, I'm gonna need SMT. Otherwise, I don't want to get swept. So far, we're just consolidating. You can see the 1-minute chart. Looks like we're expanding now. We're almost at the draw, 10 points. So at this point, I feel like we're probably just gonna take. We inverse this on the open, trade it back. So far, what's happened? We inverse this, trade it back into it. Oh, that's a crazy candle, bro. 20 points. Like a market maker buy model. Guess your best entry could have been right here. 839. We waited. We swept sell side. We got the inversion right there. Tapped back in. Okay, there's the raid. So it's a crazy wick, bro. That's SMT. So we could look to short this, but looks tough. This looks tough. I wouldn't short. That's another thing. Would be shorting all time high. Hmm. YM really just took out sell side. It's like accumulation, manipulation, distribution for YM. The YM's kind of bearish though. We just swept this buy side into the fair value gap. Weekly bearish fair value gap. Respected it. See, we inversed but closed bearish. We did just sweep sell side. We can catch a short. If ES wants to follow, got the high. Oh, they're just doing their own things. We swept sell side. Okay, buy side's taken there on ES. If we get an SMT, I'll look for a short. I would need displacement and SMT. That's a change of state of delivery. No SMT. No trade. If we inverse this, that would be like buy side rated with lower time for just tapped into the order block. EU and GU. I want to take longs from here or here. Like we're pretty close to the drawn liquidity. Pretty close to the drawn liquidity. Um, is this high? So it's kind of hard to tell. We took out previous day high, closed below. So probably I'm leaning towards shorts into this daily fair value gap and then longs. We already traded into this wick, so and dollar is looking bearish as well. So maybe not. But me personally, I'm gonna wait for this SEG on the daily time frame and then take long, targeting whatever high is there at the time. Okay, if we get an SMT here and then a break below, that's our trade model right there. We would have no time on our side though. Well, it would be AMD. That would be our time component. Oh yeah, power sticks at 10 though. Last time didn't do much, but I guess we'll see. We're respecting 50% of this order block. Nice wick. We did get an SMT right there. If it forms, I'd be happy taking a short, but this is not the best reaction off the order block. There is SMT right here. If it breaks. Lower time frame, but there. And this would just be a propulsion block if it forms. We could take something like this. Probably gone already. Partial there and then TB. I'm not taking this. I'm just looking. It was a nice. We could have taken out the order block, but the RR is not that good. 2R would have been the trade if he took the order block right away. But there was no SMT, so I didn't take it. Now SMT is broken. So if we fail to make this, 5 minutes. Ideally, I catch a long between like 9:45 and 10, or after 10. Yo, Hammy, you in here? I just realized I never even pinged the Discord. All of you guys just joined. I fucking love you guys, bro. You guys have my alerts on or something? Or you guys just knew I was gonna be live? Did we hit 400 subs? Yo, 407 subs? I'm gonna shake ass. Low of the week and move up, possibly. Low of the week today? Yeah, Rachu, that's actually pretty possible. That is possible. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Do a giveaway? Bro, what the fuck do I have to give away? Someone give me shit. Giveaway for me, bro. Giveaway? Giveaway what, bro? I have nothing to give away. Could have taken this inversion as well. Have it right there, tap back in, stop loss inversion high. This is probably the best one that formed. You would have had it like right there. I feel like Bando would take this trade. Give me a 25K challenge. Bro, listen. You give me a 25K challenge, bro. Who do I look like to you? Listen, when I get a payout, I'll give away. That would have been TP. Yeah, that was nice, honestly. That would have been this. That would have been honestly. I kind of missed that. That would have been the nicest, probably scalp. Would I be break even right now? Okay, wait, what? Let me give you away my fucking. Let me give you a account in drawdown, bro. I gotta get myself out of drawdown. I think the fair value out here on the ass. Fails to take the high. S&T at the lows. Long opportunity. We can get this intermediate term low. Like I said, I'm just looking for a scalp. What's up, Yusuf? Because, yeah, there's really no way. We just tapped into the bearish FEG. That would have been a short right there. That could have been your best short. I would just keep my stop loss there because it's inside the inversion as well. $9.29 long. $9.29 long was good. We inversed. Yeah, $9.29 not the 21 will work for Forex. I will show you in the next. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you that it works for Forex. You ready? Wait. Don't start the timer. I gotta get the chart up. I gotta get the chart up. I gotta get the chart up. One sec. Don't start the timer. Perfect. Okay, ready? 2022 model in 1 minute. We swept sell side. Shake ass. And come down. Let's say the 3 minute time frame just for whatever. We swept sell side. You're gonna look for a market structure shift, fair value gap after sell side was taken. Congrats at 400. Buy my course at 4,000. I don't have a course, bro. I'm just trying to help people for free. Is there a market structure shift? What time is this? 4:40. Okay, these wicks are pretty shit. Okay, I'll let you know when it forms. Honestly, I don't see any 2022 models in here. I mean, you could have taken this, but like all these wicks are too many wicks. Pal about to take our butts. You haven't brought anything yet. If I were to, I would have taken the short. Even right now, it's not a bad short. It's retesting the fair value gap. You gotta trust it. I didn't take it though. Yeah, but you can get away with stop loss at like inversion high. I'm like tempted to like take this. Well, obviously not now, but bro, honestly, I still think that's the inversion. So like, I guess let's see if it reinverses. If it doesn't reinverse, I definitely might take it. Kind of want the lowest ran to go long. Me too. Well, good thing we didn't take it. Can you look at Zal USD? Of course, brother. What do you want me to look at? Can we just look at it? I'm gonna give you my opinion. Still bearish. There's SMT right here. We took out buy side. Still bullish. Sorry. What's your bias today? If you have a convicted bias for today, you're weird. I don't know how. There is no bias. There's only scalps. Intraday Zal USD. Intraday Zal USD. What would I expect? Probably those lows. Session open. Should I look for session high, low liquidity? Session high, low liquidity is always good. Always be ready if you're. This is my Zal USD, by the way. I would wait for this change of state of delivery. That's a lot of fucking candles. Probably right here is enough. You get this order block, you probably got your reversal for these shorts. If there's SMT, you could probably go down in here. See the 1 minute time frame, did anything form? We got the inversion on the 1 minute. You could have taken that. I'd love to see if there was SMT right here, then I would have taken that 1 minute. But we respected this one, so actually I wouldn't. I don't like it when we inverse one, but there's another one lower. To me, that doesn't mean much. I would just wait for a 5 minute change of state of delivery. There's a little bullish fair value right there that we respected, so we might take out the hot. Whoops. We might take out the high and then go lower. You want people in here, yeah. So always look at he's rhino. I'm feeling giraffe-ish. Giraffe-ish. Look at this consolidation, right? So we're pretty much gonna just the XY daily fair value gap. Yeah, it is. Yo, Liberator. It doesn't really matter. You want to look for the high that's taken after. You want to look for the high that's taken after liquidity is swept against your bias. That's 2022 model. So let's just say hypothetically. I don't want to put the reindeer or more trend day. Well, first you can look at London session and Asia session. So let's do that. We had range in London and Asia. So for me, that's pretty high probability that New York will take both liquidity left and right. Because we didn't take Asia low. We did take out Asia high. Oh, we didn't even take out Asia high. Took out London high, pre-market. But you would just probably use the economic calendar. We have CPI on Thursday probably. So CPI is gonna move a couple hundred points, sometimes more. I've seen like 300 point CPIs. So you already know that instantly that alone will make a large range. And because we're in all-time highs, there's a good chance, at least what I was expecting, is we're just gonna range until CPI. That was one opportunity. The other option was we make a high we make a low early in the week in the daily fair value gap. I think in pushing candles like 25 points per candle. Yeah. CPI has a lot of volatility. A lot of volume. We're gonna take out these lows. I'm happy longing these lows. Let's mark out 830. Today, Powell testifies. They say testifies, but he's probably just gonna be. Well, we can open up the stream. You want 4 hour busy? Inside the 4 hour busy? A lot of movement. You might. Like all the way at the low. Yes, you were right, Yusuf. So we're not gonna trade right at 10 a.m. because sometimes it'll just spike. But the way it kind of works with Powell is he's gonna be talking, and kind of when he talks, I mean it's all BS though, because sometimes he literally won't say anything and the market will move. He'll just be like there, and it will just. It's actually funny. We're at the macro. So far, we're winning today because we managed to stay disciplined. We've been following the rules. Amir Dusky, how do you identify your bias, SMC structure, or what? What's the bias? We're ranging. There is no bias. I don't think there's a single person out there that can tell me with high probability that this is gonna expand lower or higher. I'm bullish, higher time frame, but there's no way to tell when it's gonna top. So this could be the top. This high right here could literally be the final high before we reverse. I don't know. There's no way to know, bro. There's nothing above. So what am I expecting? What am I expecting for today? Based on 15-minute market structure, probably this high and low will get taken out today. These lows are like pretty equal. They might get taken out. ES has equal lows. My bias is bearish. I think more likely than not, we're gonna take out these lows because we have daily fair value gaps lower, probably as a draw. But like, how do you know which one to long off of, bro? This one would be best, obviously, but so that's the draw. The draw is lower. That's what I can tell you. I can't tell you the bias though. The narrative, we swept sell side. I mean buy side on both assets. Now we have equal lows and we've been ranging, so try standard deviations. What's up, Ethan? On Zayushi, I know it's 2 p.m., but was that not a bearish flag? We don't trade patterns in here, brother. How do you identify your bias? I have a video on daily bias. That's exactly how I do it every single day. I like to use like a couple concepts: discounted premium, highs and lows, imbalances, daily closures, and weekly profile. And SMT, of course. SMT is like very, very key. Very, very key. No one can know, but I mean, these lows are, in my opinion, high probability to get taken. So good look for longs off these lows. On ZAO USD, was that not a bearish flag from noon till 6 p.m.? On ZAO USD, was that not a bearish flag from noon till 6 p.m.? This looks like a bearish flag, right? Doesn't it go like this or something? USD CAD sell. I'll tell you in a sec. This looks like a bearish flag, like the pull, whatever. I don't know. I don't know what the pattern is. You tell me, bro. I don't trade pattern. Feel like we went back to clear buy side on NQ before clearing sell side. We could run up for the high again. That would suck. Because I want to short all-time highs. You say USD CAD. Silver looking bullish. Silver is same as gold. My gold bias. Bearish and then bullish. If we invert this 4-hour, that's actually really high probability for longs. Look for SMT. The drawn liquidity is higher. I am bullish. We tapped into the weekly fair value gap. We formed SMT inside. I'm expecting this high to get taken. So higher time frame, I'm bullish. However, we did sweep out this high, so we could expect some retracement or some chop. Overall, I'm bullish. We're inside of this daily fair value gap. We took out the high. It formed SMT with silver. You can see we failed to take the high in SMT. We moved lower. So intraday, 4-hour, inverse this, formed a bearish one, took it, failed to take the low. In my opinion, that low looks like it'll get taken. We have this fair fat, but I would have to see this 4-hour fair value gap. If it gets inverted, then it probably just doesn't care about that low and it's well protected. This is an intermediate term low. However, there is no fair value gap in here, so that's my bias. CAD USD sell. Still just ranging. Odd USD also sell. CAD USD. CAD USD. What is this? Why doesn't Oh, is it? Okay, let's just look at this. Oh, CAD USD sell. CAD USD chop. Sell. I think this looks bullish. Let me look at the weekly. Well, this is so choppy. Am I on the wrong chart? Not CAD USD, odd USD. If you don't trade patterns, what do you trade? I trade ICT. Odd USD sell. Monthly? Okay. Hard to tell the monthly. Weekly? Hey, it does look like a sell. I'd wait for 4-hour confirmation and I would take a short. This is actually pretty nice. Flip sell side. And dollar is. I'm hoping dollar is bullish into here. Yeah, the thing is, we did create a weekly fair value gap, so there is a volume imbalance lower too, though. I think there's more reasons for shorts than longs, but I'd have to wait for 4-hour confirmation, which I don't see how you're gonna get. SMT and QES? Yes, that is SMT and QES, but we have news at 10, which is why I haven't been looking. I'm not gonna trade it right at 10 because I genuinely do not know what's gonna happen at 10 a.m. You think Powell got on early? Should we open up the Powell stream? Jerome Powell live speech today. Let's see if he's even talking. I bet you, if I had to guess, he's not even talking. He's just there.
For this would be the applicant's education, what type of a job the applicant has, whether it's an hourly paid job or a salaried job, or what type of a device these applicants use to fill out the
Guys,
application.
our country's.
Seems to be most important in identifying these invisible.
Okay, he's not even talking. I mean, he hasn't said anything yet. Is he there? He's not even on stage, bro. He should be talking about random shit, bro. I'll let you know if anything interesting comes. Okay, let's focus up here because let's see if we can take out buy side and then form SMT. He'll come at 10. Bro, I don't think he's gonna be there in exactly 2 minutes. I mean, maybe though. Okay, we got the SMT, but what I really want to see is just how I get taken on NAS and then form SMT. Maybe that's how I'll do this. And then distributes at 10. Yeah, it's possible. Oh, we got SMT and then double SMT. I'll let you know if I see him talk or anything. So far, he's not even there. Maybe he's just sitting there in the back or something. I'm saying, bro. But yo, I bet you at 10. Watch, I bet you at 10 there's gonna be something. What is SMT? I'm gonna show you right now, but I also have a video. This is SMT. You let me know if you see it. Between these two assets. If you can find it yourself, then you'll find it always. This is like potential shoot, but I'm not gonna trade it because it's 10 a.m. I was still waiting for you to put your stop loss. Oh, you're right, bro. You're right. If we form that volume imbalance, I might take that. I take that. US 30? What about US 30? News in 4 seconds. So before I look at news, let's see, does anything happen at 10? I want to take this volume imbalance. The issue is about this volume imbalance is that high. Oh, I already missed it, so that high is not well protected. I don't like this high, to be honest. But I would have taken. I'll be taking for. Yeah, I don't like that high. Personally, I don't like that high. It's also 10 a.m., so I don't know what's gonna happen. Is that Powell speaking right there? I bet you some people will say like, "Oh, Powell speaking." He's literally not even speaking, bro. Look, I don't know what it is. They're just like there. Okay, high was taken again with SMT. And that's just really showing weakness. Rat, Nas is really showing weakness. I want to give the shorts a try. Oh, we missed it. You only trade dinner session? Yeah. That was fast. I wanted to give those shorts that volume imbalance. Maybe I should have trusted it right there. We got double SMT. You know what would have been a good short is just market selling short this turtle soup right here as well. I doubt we were tracing to the inversion. We tapped into the bullish fair value gap. Yeah, like this is hard. This is hard to get in because it's already such a short range. That volume imbalance was really nice though. No, it didn't take the high. I guess it showed weakness. If I did short this, stop loss would be like so short. I would have to do like something like this, which I don't really like. That's not a good stop loss. It's not like the inversion's too small for me to put it at the inversion high. We're just gonna have to be patient. I think I was short again. For me, we expected the bullish for value gap. So maybe we do make a run for the high. We re-inverted. This is an impossible market structure. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a bit. I don't think Jerome is talking. This is hard. This is hard. We are just ranging. I think I'm gonna have to wait. I mean, ES did take out one of the sides twice. No setup. 50% of the wick on ES. That could have been it right there. But it's not clean. Do you see confirmation of shorts here? I do not see. I see confirmation longs almost. I don't see. It's not lining up. The narrative is so that buy side should go lower. Drawn liquidity is lower. The high time frame PD array was this 15-minute wick and SMT. We have time on our side, 10 a.m. Confirmation, no entry confirmation for shorts. The volume imbalance wasn't bad. Yeah, I'm saying, bro, like they'll just say it'll just move. Like it's actually manipulated as hell, man. They'll just move and be like, oh yeah, Powell's speaking 10 a.m. Bro, is that Powell, bro? That's not Powell. Powell ain't even here, bro. He's not even in the room yet, I don't think. This guy's old, bro. How old is Jerome Powell? He's 71, bro. Let the guy rest. This guy's moved enough markets in his lifetime. Yeah, he's usually late. Okay, looks like that wick might, but like this isn't nothing here is tradable. Powell started already? Let Powell rest. That's what I'm saying, bro. He's moved enough markets in his lifetime. Bro, when he sometimes like this wasn't crazy, but sometimes when it says he's talking, bro, you'll literally see like boom, 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 like crazy, bro. He's talking now. Yo, what live stream are you on? I don't see him. Look, this is Federal Reserve live.
Can fill a market void for like an intermediate level or a pricing
I don't
level
see him.
for
Federal Reserve live, July 9th. Are you sure you're watching something live? That's not the one. Did he switch reserves? If we get the order block here, I'll take this fair value gap. If we get the order block here, I'll take this fair value gap. And I'll probably take profits like here and leave a runner. If we get the order block and the fair value gap. Okay. We'll give it a try. Well, TP hit, boys. TP hit, boys. What the fuck do I do now? Okay, I didn't even get a chance, bro. That's funny as fuck. See what I'm saying, bro? Powell speak? No, bro. Powell's not speaking, bro. It's this girl. It's always her. She always speaks before Powell. Okay, well. Uh, he just said yes to him, January. Bro, I'm pretty sure he's not speaking right now. The Federal Reserve is live, but Powell ain't talking. Let me click their live stream on YouTube. Yeah, bro. He's talking about inflation. Bro, I'm literally there is no way, bro. This is the Federal Reserve YouTube. We've been live streaming for 89 minutes, and it's this girl right here, bro. Bloomerang? Bro. Bloomerang? Bloomerang? You want me to go on Bloomerang? What the fuck is Bloomerang? Bullish SMT. Yeah, there's bullish SMT, but we didn't take out sell side. I'm still bearish. If anything, that's just your short entry on ES. Should have taken that short. Use the African order block. What is some? It's just the African order block. What the fuck is that, bro? Yeah, this is a good short. I'm waiting for NQ tapped in. How's the risk? Okay, we're gonna see if it comes up into that other fair value gap. Okay, we'll take this short. We will take this short. Okay, that's the trade. Stop loss at the order block high. Cause I took the trade by the way because we tapped into the order block and OTE and fair value gap. Yes, we swept sell side, and that might cost me this trade, but we still have those equal lows, and this is good in my opinion. This is a W trade for me. How many minis? Bro, if you're asking that, you missed the trade, bro. Winning 3 minis? You better hope this doesn't fluctuate up. You better hope I snipe this fucking entry, bro. This is micros, bro. Oh shit, I didn't take it on my Top Step X account. Okay, it's fine. I can pretty much get a relatively equal entry. I can even get a better entry right now. Bro, my Top Step X is fucking glitched, bro. Are you serious? I literally clicked the market sell, bro, and it did not sell. Bro, what the fuck? Why is my Top Step X not working? Micros, not minis? Yeah, micros is smaller. If you don't know, that guy's just my signal bot, right? Don't worry about him. He doesn't need to learn. He just copies. That's my best friend. Bro, but okay, why is my Top Step X is literally not working? It won't let me put on a trade. What the fuck is wrong with Top Step X? Bro, this is pissing me off. Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay. Okay, we're out. Oh shit, we're out. Okay, we're stopped out. We're stopped out. Order block high got destroyed with a wick. Still volatile. Um, let's see what happens. But wait, yo, NQ didn't take that high. Bro, what? NQ didn't even take the high. Well, it might probably will right now. Okay, we're out. We're gonna try one more short with half risk. What about CAD CHF? Yeah, it looks bearish to me. Could have got a sniper entry in this weekly fair value gap. There, I told you the bullish SMT. Bro, I don't care about that bullish SMT. There was also bearish SMT. That's it. I'm chilling with the African OB. What the fuck is that, bro? I have no idea what that is. But let's see if we can take another short half risk. Half risk on this one. There was SMT on both sides. I'm bearish. I don't care about this bullish SMT. That's a useless thing. If you think it's useless, then you haven't studied it enough, brother. Hoping for an inversion. Yeah, I'm hoping for something, an inversion now too. If we respect 50% of this wick. Yeah, lows were set to 1 minute time frame, but I'm still like, look at this. The 50-minute candle is still forming. And there's these nice equal lows right here. That's my drawn liquidity. Same thing. Yo, highs were also swept. But let's see. ES respected the fair value gap, took out this high, failed to take this high. I think I like these shorts. I need confirmation. I need confirmation. I need the inversion. Or give me a breaker on ES, failing to take this high. Breaker SMT. PD raise. PD is like fair value gap, order block. Could have taken this. We did change data delivery. Still the fair value gap below though. That's another SMT. 13, 13. Took the high. ES is on the wick now. Let's watch this wick. If we can get a breaker, I'll take that. It do be broader. Why is it 50-minute important? Is it because you does your higher time frame? It's my lowest higher time frame. You can see everything on the 50-minute. Price will be bullish. I think so, but I mean we're just ranging. I still think we make a run for the lows. I'm gonna try again one more time. If we get confirmation right here after taking the 15-minute buy side. That's 50% of the wick. If we get another, if we close below this candle, I'll probably take that order block. Take this order block, stop loss high. Partial, and then full TP. We need a nice displacement though. If we like high, low, lower, high, lower, low, and we have the mitigation. This should be your mitigation. But we didn't get lower, low. Yeah, you can take partials. I don't see why you shouldn't be able to. This candle just consolidated, which sucks. Yeah, longing is 3 minutes. The signals in the comments of Powell's lives are crazy. What are people saying? Like I'm gonna pump it up or some shit. Got to pump it up. I want to see this 5-minute close too. We have to be patient. Wait, there is no higher time frame, Peter Ray. Let's see if ES can trade into this wick on the 50-minute time frame. And Q did. And Q tapped into 50% of the wick. This red line is 50% of the wick. Just need confirmation. So give me like a break on SMT or something. The Zimbabwe swing. That's so funny. I would take this, I guess. I would take this order black. Because we rejected from the wick. And silver bullet too. Hopefully ES can invert this. Instead of just stoop that low. No displacement. It needs to go below. It needs to close below. Yeah, no trade. But the fair value gap can still form. Let's give it a chance. Let's see if we can displace with this fair value gap on ES. And Q. I need displacement on this ES candle. We did form a fair value gap. See how it reacts. It's Jerome. He changes true colors. Got to pump it up. Okay. We're gonna take one more trade today. Powell is speaking right now. Bro, it literally says Emily, bro. Bro, listen. You guys are tripping. There's just no way he's speaking on he's really just speaking on some websites and not others. Is he really here? Okay, well, we'll look. I'm gonna look right here. Respected the 1 minute. If we inverse this, close, and we form volume imbalance, I'll take the volume imbalance. Yes, if ES inverts, we'll take the volume imbalance. Oh shit, what am I doing? I was like, bro, why is my stop loss so big? We gotta do 2 micros on this one. Okay, okay, let me see how we close. How many minis? 1 mini merit. Oh, you should not be trading more than 1. Bro, this is so big. We are not getting a fill. Okay, we're trying at the volume imbalance. We didn't invert, but we did close below 50%. I'm back to taking trades. Yeah, I got stopped out on this short OTE entry. It took out the high. I'm gonna try this volume imbalance. Oh, Jerome is talking. Maybe we should just watch. Let's do one micro. Let's do one. One micro. 50% of the inversion. The entry's not good enough. I think I like this. I might make this too. Like RR. Yeah. Shit. Let's see what it would have been. Like that's 1.85. I mean, you could have put your stop loss like here, but it's so fluctuating. I wanted to put it more protected. So I guess we'll see. Maybe I won't get a fill. We did form a fair value gap. I'll take the fair value gap. And the inversion never even technically formed, so I thought maybe it would come back. But I will take the fair value gap. Yo. We're gonna try this. Bro, at this point, I'm gonna take longs to the volume imbalance. You finally see a good entry and no fill. I know. Well, at this point, we might just take longs to the volume imbalance. Oh, look at that. All the sell side taken. ES about to take out the equal lows. There it is, boys. There it is. The best entry was 50% of the inversion. All sell side taken. Oh, we didn't take out the equal lows just yet. But we don't have to. Well, last time I took this OTE, I got destroyed, so I'm not gonna take it again. It's not the best. And these candles are kind of, I don't want to say unpredictable, but yeah, there it is. We missed it. Look at that wick. Look at that wick taking all the sell side. Could long into retrace here, but nah. Like it's basically just range high, range low, right? We just took out range low. Probably range high. But that was it. We read price well. Unfortunately, we didn't get to participate. We missed it, but the drawn liquidity was right. We marked that out. Any turtle supers? I was thinking about it, but I actually was thinking about just market long. But that's not me, you know? But that's me FOMO. That's FOMO me. Like if I made money, I wouldn't take that. No. Bearish continuation. Possible. It's hard to say though. Let's short again. It is possible. Like it makes sense. But like to where? Daily fair value gap? It's just ranging. It's literally just ranging. I wouldn't take shorts. Not in this market. I would have to take longs. If we like inverted this, I don't think we just keep dumping. We just been ranging the whole day. I wouldn't be surprised if we just go higher now. We could try this inversion. It's kind of low probability. Okay, let's go with the inversion there. Half risk, half risk. Let's try the inversion. We went outside the range, went back into the range. We inverted this. My stop loss is going to be like 50% right here. Like 75% of this candle. I mean, we'll go with this. We'll go with this. Let's see if the range continues. We closed up that bullish or value gap, which is not good. But let's see if that immediate rebalance pays. We're going to give it a little bit of leeway. But as soon as I see it go far below 50%, we might just close early. Okay, we're just gonna let it hit stop if it hits. What you thinking about today? Ranging conditions. I'm trying to play the bottom of the range now. This candle closes below 50%. I'm gonna close. Time for fishing. See ya. See ya, brother. See ya, brother. The bears close. We'd have to close this range up right now. Immediate rebalance. Okay, we're closing this. Okay, we're out. We're out. Oh shit, what I just close? Close the wrong thing. Okay, we're done. No more trades for today. No more trades. GG's, Chris. Enjoy your fishing, Alevs. Enjoy your fishing. Fishing's cool. Can you check gold? We'll finish, bro. Finish what? A lot wasn't expected. Learned a lot. Thank you, brother. Gold. I got you. You want my analysis on gold? I already gave my analysis, but I'll give it again. I'll give it again. Bearish. I gave my 5-minute opinion. What did I say? Damn. Yeah. Intraday, I'd be shorting. I wouldn't be shorting. I wouldn't be longing unless these lows were taken intraday. So you could look for a confirmation after we take this high. Probably your best bet. S&P on the lows gold. If there's S&T, that changes things. Nah. Oh, there is. Yeah, there is SMT, so I would be pretty cautious. We do sweep buy side. This is also tough. It's tough when this guy's talking. Market's tough. You could see if there's 15-minute inverts, you can probably get your confirmation for longs. Yeah, and that's probably the best as it gets. Well, anyone have questions? I only take 2 trades per day. Caught down and Q up US 30. Nice, bro. We wanted to catch that, but unfortunately we missed it. We missed it. SMT breaker. SMT breaker forming off the low swept. It might go higher if we get that breaker off the low and SMT. What do you have ICT video? How do you have ICT videos on how you trade and what you look for? I have 2 videos and I'm posting my model slowly but surely. I'm posting my model slowly but surely. Yeah. I have bias and SMT. I haven't posted my entire model, but I posted my model. When I hear something, you guys call me a hater, so I better be quiet. Yeah, bro. It's better to be quiet than be a hater. I was today. I'm tired of losing because of patterns. Yes, pattern trading is not good. Do you have IC videos on how you trade? SMT on the lows gold. Yes. It's good, bro. You got this, bro. It was a nice move. We called it out really nicely. Unfortunately, we weren't able to execute. But we called out what we wanted. Well, if nobody has any questions, that's all for me today. We did good. Today was good. Today was a win. 2 objectives we had. Follow the plan. What was the other one? We press accurately. I think that was good. Now we have SMT breaker, which is my favorite. Don't believe this guy, bro. I mean, yeah, you want to believe it, bro? Go for it, man. When do you trade forex if you only trade 2 times a day? Forex is separate. Forex I trade on my live account. Forex I trade on my live account. Whenever my setup forms on Forex, I'll take it, even if it's 100 times for it, 100 times a day. This is a breaker block with SMT on the lows. How do you get nice muscle? Workout and eat protein. This fair value gap. There's the breaker. This is my prediction. I think we go back to range highs Um, yeah. If I were to take a trade, it would be this. Probably get away with that stop loss. I would be aim for this high because this high didn't sweep. Oh, this high didn't sweep liquidity. It's always good to aim for the high that didn't sweep liquidity. But anyways, all from me. Do you trade with the same strategy on Forex? Pretty much, just higher time frame. My Forex strategy is I'm only gonna trade if there's a daily or weekly fair value gap in play. Otherwise, no. So I'm waiting on Euro or GBP to tap into the daily fair value gap. And I want to take longs from here. And if it doesn't happen, I'll take shorts from here, targeting, and then expansion again. That's the plan, the only plan. Yo, does TopStep X have a trade copier? Tradeovate. Is there a Tradeovate trade copier? How to use trade copier and trading view. That's what I want to do. Nah, looks bad. Keep it up. Thank you, brother. It already tapped into the bounce price range. It doesn't need to go down to this fair value gap because it's already offered fair value. So this could just play out. 1 year from now, thousands are gonna watch your old lives? Shit. Oh, you mean my live streams? Yeah, I mean that would be good, bro. Hopefully I'm a better trader by then too. Because the plan is to improve and build good habits, I know a lot, but the truth is I'm not the best trader, I can read price really well, but I'm still working. Believe it or not, trading when time you do not think gaps on the BS, the ICT will completely destroy discipline, and you will remain losing always, LOL, hate it or not. Facts. Bro, all I need you to do is prove to me that they don't work if you want me to listen to you. That's all it is, bro. Prove it wrong or don't hate, you know? I don't hate on your shit. How far does price have to tap into a fair value gap? If you're bullish, you don't want to see it go, like, ideally it respects the first quadrant. It just has to tap in. It doesn't have to tap in, first of all, but if it's going to come down and offer fair value, it only needs to tap into the high or the low. For example, like even just one tick, that's enough. But if you're bearish, for example, let's say you're bearish and you have this fair value gap right here, you don't want to see it close above 50%. Because then there's a good chance it's going to inverse. You see all the IC gurus trying to sell courses. I mean, that's a fair opinion, bro. There is a lot of ICT traders who just sell courses because they can't trade. But it's not because ICT doesn't work. It's because trading is hard. Trading is hard, bro. That's my opinion, at least. There's also a lot of people out there that prove what they do works. Like, what about that guy? What's that guy's name? He's literally been doing the Robbins Cup. I think he's top 5. He's doing really good with ICT. I don't know why. Well, I forget his name. Uh, he's really good. I forget his name. He's like 7 years ICT trader since day one. I think he was in his mentorship in 2016, private mentorship. He's really good. He's a really good trader. I forget his name. So see, like right now it's respecting 50%, but I mean, yes, it's just going. Well, any questions, or am I gonna go make breakfast? Everyone's chilling. Everyone knows how to. Did they improve? You guys gotta improve, bro. Improve every day. I think I improved today, so I'm gonna take that W. Let's go. People catching wind in the Discord. All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We'll be live. We're working. What's 3 things you wish you knew as a beginner trader? Oh, great question. I wish I trusted when ICT said like take more time developing your model, because inevitably what's gonna happen is you're gonna think you know and you're gonna think you're ready and you're gonna go, you're gonna get your butt slapped, and then you're gonna come back and be like, shit, let me do the work again. After expecting it to inverse. Well, it all comes down to narratives. Like these fair value gaps, they don't matter. They don't mean any highs, lows. They don't mean anything. The only thing that matters is narrative. Like where do you think price is gonna go? For example, in my opinion, I think these highs are gonna get taken because we've been ranging and we just took out range low. I'm expecting range high to get taken, right? So I'm personally expecting this to inverse. So you can't just follow the rule like, oh, 50% respected, it's gonna hold. I mean, sure, if that's your model, but in my opinion, for me, look, this is my model right here. The first thing is narrative. The narrative tells me we're going higher. The drawn liquidity is higher. Higher time frame PD array, we don't have, so I can't trade this. However, we did sweep out the lows, which is technically a higher time frame. Not technically, it is a higher time frame PD array. So we swept out the lows, and since then we've given a setup. And now, if you remember, I said we had a breaker. The breaker was right here. Stop loss was breaker low. So you could have got filled on that breaker on this down close candle, and you would have had the setup there. In my opinion, we're gonna go higher. Did you take notes to get good? And if you did, what type of notes you take? I took notes on ICT private mentorship because I wanted to refer back to them. Did notes help? Notes, no, they didn't really help. Stop loss was wrong. I entered long same place. I was in profit. Bro, how was my stop loss wrong? It was literally at the data low. I couldn't have put it any lower. It swept out the entire low. Just had to wait for the breaker. Like ES didn't take that low. Same trade on ES, I would still be in. Like, see this inversion, this is a good trade. This fair value gap inside the inversion, this is a high probability fair value gap because it's on the inversion. Something like this, it's good. ES is almost at TP. The inversion hasn't happened yet, but it probably will. But yo, good trade, Tima. Future trades, Tima. Future trade. Fair value gap working, but when you use Fibonacci same time, it's really good. Yeah, of course. You always want to enter premium and discount. Notice ES is almost at the draw. However, ES already did take out this high. It doesn't need to take out the ultimate high. But remember, we're just playing the range. Premium to discount, discount to premium. So I wouldn't be longing right here on ES, for example. See, right now we're respecting this. Could probably continue higher. Notes didn't really help me, but journaling does help a lot. 3 things I wish I knew. 1, I took more time developing my model. 2, I didn't look at those people on Twitter. I didn't look any like those YouTubers. I didn't look at those courses people sell. I wish I just focused in on the data myself. Like I got my own data from what ICT taught me, and you go into the charts and you figure out exactly what you're looking for on my own. Because what's gonna end up happening is nothing for me personally, like nothing sits right, like I studied this, I did this, I did this, nothing sat with me, like I didn't like it just didn't sit right, and I ended up going back and having to do all that work again, or like doing all the work that I was avoiding just by listening to people on Twitter or like YouTube trying to just take their model It's fine to use it as a template, but at the end of the day, you need your own model. And you can see ES basically made it to buy side there. So took a really nice. Can a short trade be valid after market structure shift? Yeah, it can. NQ looks a little bit more bearish, but yeah, it can be. 1050 macro. If we get something like this, I'll say it right now. If we get something like this, it's high probability. But again, it doesn't have to go all the way to the low. Like I would just probably target 50% minimum, or the first low, like this low right here. Probably that low is a good TP. Let's see if we get this on ES. Or even if we get the inversion, that's fine. Let's see. Let's see. It can be valid. This is just scalping. Like these conditions ideally are not the best to trade in. Like you have to practice these conditions. Yeah, let's see if we get a market structure shift here. We got the inversion maybe. The thing is there is equal highs right here, which is risky. So your entry would be right now. You're right, brother. It also OTE plays. Yeah, this is a premium market, so you would have entered right there. TP1 right there. You can even put your stop loss at the inversion high. We'll watch this plays out. It'll be about to be swept, I believe. Yeah, it looks like it. So remember I said this 50-minute, if it inverses long and if it doesn't inverse short, it basically respected. So what happened in that price fractal? We inverted this 1 minute fair value gap. And we went lower since we tapped back into this one, offered fair value, and since then we went lower, targeting the draw. Beautiful. Looks like this is gonna invalidate. It might come for those because we have equal highs right there, so it's never really good to short when there's equal highs, because now people are gonna see this as resistance. So a lot of the time it'll like run up into there with a wick. It doesn't have to, but it could. It could. Anyway, if anyone wants to ask me something, DM me on this Discord. I'll get back to you. Hope everyone has a good day. That's it for me today. And peace. So better wait for another sweep. If it was me, I'd wait for another sweep. That's just me. Because I don't want a long. That's just my model. Thanks for helping me, man. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions, bro. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.